And welcome back. Trailblazer here. How you guys doing? So I figured today I'll do um some satisfactory for you guys. I figured this is a pretty fun game. Um, I've seen quite a bit of people play it on YouTube. Um, and I figured I'd put out some gameplay. I'm not gonna start over. I'm just gonna continue playing on the factory that I have. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope everything works out. Make it look good for you guys. I want it to look the best as possible. So this particular factory, I'll go in and I'll show you. I'll go into like the load screen and everything and I'll show you guys. I think I have about, I think 60 plus hours into this factory. It is probably my third build, I think, maybe third. I'm not too sure on that one. I think it's my third. Um, I just been playing around, kind of watching some people, and I kind of figured out the best way to kind of set up a factory. Lately, I've been having some power problems, so that's what I was previously working on. Give me 1 second, guys. Sorry, I had to move some stuff around real quick so that not everything's in the way. Sorry about that. So, anyways, so this is the factory that I have set up. Um, if I go over here, this tower, it kind of shows you the whole layout of the factory that I got going on. Um, doesn't for sure help with how the factory actually looks with the graphics. It may, just because it's such a high distance up. But let me go ahead and if I jump up here, this will kind of give you the layout of the factory right here. So that's what it is. Um, I do believe I have, as you can see, iron comes in. That's iron. I'll show you the processing plant. It's over there. That's iron. It's coming in and it's making plates, iron plates out of this whole facility right here. This whole setup. This whole setup is iron as well, and it is making iron rods. So if I go into here, I can show you guys. Um, Actually, these are all the different parts that you have. Everything that you gotta make. Okay, you start out with raw material. You get raw iron. You get raw copper, and then leaves you can turn into biomass. You get um, lime, and you turn it into concrete. So I have a setup doing iron plates and iron rods, and I have a setup doing wire and cable already. Screws. I have a concrete setup. I think I'm all the way to, um, besides circuit boards, I'm all the way to SATers. I just built a whole section for SATers. So I have all this besides that, besides the circuit board. I have all this, no biofuel, and everything else, no biomass. Everything else is being created and made by all this different equipment right here that you'll see um, as I go through the game. You'll see all the different stuff that you have to build. With that being said, like I said, this section right here is all iron. It's making iron rods, and then iron rods gets pushed into screws, which are being made in that section right there. And then this section is copper. This is making copper wire, which is being fed into there, which is being made cable. I'm making cable there with the iron that's coming in, or the copper that's coming in. Excuse me, I only have one copper mine. If I run over here, I'll show you guys. I only got that one copper mine real quick. And I might as well show you this. This is the iron setup that I have right here. I got 1, 2, 3 iron ores right there, pumping out a bunch of iron, bringing them in. And I also have way over there, as you can see, I have iron over there being made. And way over there is all my power. All my power equals up to 1300 capacity. 1350 megawatts is what I'm creating. Currently only using this much because half of my factory is on shutdown because I have so much built up. With that being said, let's go start making a motor section, which there's a whole lot more to explain, but for the sake of the video and how long it's going to go, my first video of some gameplay, I don't want it to go too long. So I'm pretty sure I already messed it up with the sound. So what do we need? So this is the build menu. We press Q to open up the build menu, and F to like destroy stuff, dismantle. This is the F menu. So yeah, we'll open up the build menu. We'll go in and, oh no, every time I open this up, it's because I'm on experimental mode. It says new. So what do I need to, first of all, we'll open up this menu. What do I need to make motors? Motors. We need stators and rotors. Okay, so rotors are going to be way over here, coming out of my copper section. So after the copper section, which is this section right here. So we come in, and you can see I'm making copper wire up there. All this is being made into copper wire. It's all at a standstill because nothing's really being used too much. I mean, it's going, but slowly. And then, of course, everything that I'm making is being shipped down below into a whole mess that I'm not going to get into. Something is pulling this quick. Oh, I think it's my... So, something over there. So, in here we are making... What are we making here? So, yeah, we're making cables here. So, cables... I do believe this is my rotors. No, this is my steel plates, which are taking a long time. And this one, I do believe, may be my rotors. Rotors, copper wires, there's tubings. See, I even get lost. Yeah, that's still plates. I do believe this is the stators, so yeah, stators. Which, I mean, this one, I don't know if that's pipes, I can see it coming in now. I'm lost, actually. I think my rotors are way out there. It's been a while since I've been on the game. Give me a minute. I'm learning just as well as you guys are. It's been a while. Maybe this one? Nope, that's still tubing. What is this one? What do you got in here? Nothing? Okay, why? I don't know. Oh, it's because everything is gone. Okay, with that being said, I don't need that there now. We'll go ahead and drop that. Boom. See, that's the dismantle tool I was telling you about. Maybe these might be my stators. Oh, that's concrete. I lied. Sorry, guys. Where? Okay, cables. That goes into here. Yeah, this is steel beams, concrete beams. And this over here. There's another section over here. What's in there? Whoa, I think this is my rotors actually. Yep, see? Boom. Which, why? Okay, so I have to feed from rotors. And what else was it? This is all for a reason, by the way. I'm not just running around trying to figure everything out. I need motors, so stators and rotors. So there's my rotors, way over here. And way over there is my stators, which I believe is that section right there. So with that being said, I'm gonna go right here and build this section right here. I do believe I do correctly. Yep, that is satyrs. Boom, satyrs. All right. Do I have enough? So we'll go to. I got enough. We'll go to assemblies now. Actually, we'll go here first. We need to put down some concrete. So I'm gonna need way more foundation. Next, so we're gonna reach way over there. I think it's gotta go like it just sucks the materials out of your guy. Like, oh, we're just gonna suck it basically. Probably like this is almost the fastest way to build them. I really hope this is a recording and I'm not just wasting my time. Because I could very well just be wasting my time. Right, that's a wide enough setup. Long enough? Barely. It's not gonna work. Falling off the edge of this thing. Which I've done quite a bit. Okay. Tab opens up your inventory. It shows you everything that you have in your inventory. That's everything I have. We'll go assemble. I guess this section works. So if you look on the ground, you'll see, even with this one, you'll see the little blue line. See the little blue line? I didn't even realize I was that close to that thing. I can get on top of that, by the way, and use it to ride. That means it's gonna go right through my factory. Uh-oh. That's gonna be funny. Did not expect that. And I want to build in this spot, too. So I think if we go there, and now it should line up. If I hold down control, everything should line. Oh, I don't need to. I held down control. Everything should line up now. 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5. Yeah. So 5, figure 1. Which it's a lot, but we'll go ahead and use it. That's it. So we want it to line up with that one, and wait for the blue line to line up with the blue line. Oh, with that one over there as well. Right there. Yeah, right there. Oh, right there. Now we line that. Over there. We have an assembly set up for motors. If I go through, I'll just set these all for motors real quick. That way I don't forget. I'm gonna try to do this kind of slow for you guys, but in all reality, slow isn't my friend. I know what I'm doing, so I just kind of go at it. Oh, I just kind of go at it, and get it done. So satyrs will come straight into here, and then over here, I need to go all the way up there, bring those in as well. which is fine because here I'll just stack 2 conveyors high. You'll see it like right here. I only have it 1 high. No, I have it 2 high. I do that for a reason because then I can run one underneath from another section. And I'll be doing that as well. So what I need now is, let's go ahead and set these up. I use the conveyor systems and mergers and stuff, so we'll go ahead and set this up to, what? I'm using 3 on everything, so I don't know why I got 1s. Wait, that's just a conveyor lift, conveyor belt, conveyor belt. Because all these only need 1 section. And I think I have a whole section, my Satyr section is all built up to 3, yeah. So, alright, we'll go with 3. We'll put that as 4. So I'm not going to use 1, 5. Alright, so 4. We'll go up, turn that around, and now all we do is pretty much do the same thing. And we just go through. This is the simplest way I found to build. So we'll go the outside one, and on these you only need to do 1 on the inside, 1 on each side, and I'll show you why in a minute. I'll show you how this setup works. I guess I could go over there real quick and show you the setup and show you why I'm doing it the way I'm doing it. You can see here, this is how I do it. Okay, I do 1 on the side, and then I come through with splitters that split the product into where they need to go. And I think it's pretty neat. I used to do it differently. So here he comes again. He's gonna drop real low and hit my factory wall. Right. Boom, right there. He goes right through my factory. That's funny. Which means I can get on my factory and ride him. Which I want to do this. I think this will be cool for you guys to see on the first video. This was not planned out, by the way. I just found this out just as well as you guys did. Oh snap! I never make those, by the way. This is the first try here. So if I wait here, I know this may take a minute. But we're gonna try it out. I want to see this. And if I take this ride, I'll probably go ahead and end this video. I don't know how long I'm going. I don't want to go too long. I'm still trying to pace out times and everything else. Actually, no. I'm gonna continue building until he pops back up. Anyways, I showed you the whole thing. On the inside, at least, and then the outside. It's pretty self-explanatory. When you see it, you realize what I'm doing. You'll understand why I'm doing the things I'm doing. So, we'll start here. 1, 2. And I gotta go somewhere right here in the middle. 1, 2. Can't stretch the belt all the way. Make sure everything's lined up right. From there. Okay. And I want everything to come out this direction, so we're gonna start at that end, and we'll put 1 there, and we'll put another 1 there. Now, since yeah, no, that works out. So now that we got that up, we can delete these. I know it probably don't look like it's structurally safe, but there is no structure integrity in this game. So I'm just kind of gonna go with it as it were. How close is that thing? I really want to ride this thing. I've been trying for so long to try to figure out how I can get to this thing and ride it. And now that I know it hits my factory, I may put up some little setup to actually catch him. Which means I may actually wait on building this section, fly around with him, show you guys that. It's kind of cool. And then, maybe stop that video, upload it, tear all this down, rebuild it, maybe um, just a little ways over here to try to give, you know, kind of like a runway for him. I think that would be cool. Um, and I lost my train of thought. Build a little runway, rebuild it all, and then come back to you guys kind of right where I am. I think that'll be kind of cool. Obviously, see how long this takes me. It takes me like no time to build. I don't want to miss them. I feel like I'm gonna miss them. I think it'd be cool for you guys to see on the first video. And like I said, I hope this is recording well, because if it is, we want everything, by the way, goes in one direction. It comes out in one direction. So everything comes in this way, and all those will be leading out this way and end up coming into a section right here that you'll see me build. I really don't miss him. I gotta move this. This is no longer needed. And I do believe you guys can hear my desktop sound, which sucks. I thought I had turned that stuff down, and I'm sorry for that. But with the new Windows, you get the Windows notifications, and I gotta figure out how to shut all that off. I'm fairly new to the PC world. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Oh my god, this is gonna be cool. Oh my god, this is gonna be cool. This is gonna be cool. This is gonna be cool. I don't think I'm gonna be able to catch him though. I don't know where he goes. But this is gonna be cool for you guys to see. I gotta make sure I catch him because I really, really want to ride him. So I'm gonna hope none of that's gonna mess me up once I catch him. Oh, see, he's lining up. He's lining up. He's coming in. He's coming in. Look at him line up. Oh, yeah. Coming in, coming in, coming in, and she's under, and we just jump. Boom, and we're on. Look at that, guys. That is cool. That is freaking cool. And you can run around. I don't know how far back you can go without falling off, but this is pretty cool. I hope that's not really loud for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and go in here because it's really loud in my ears. So we'll go ahead and turn ambient volume down. And we'll go ahead and turn factory volume down. And we'll go ahead and turn factory volume down. So I'm gonna turn the main volume down. So I feel like that's really loud. Anyways, now we're back on this thing. You can walk around on it. I don't know if you can go onto the wings or how far. Nope. See him already falling off. So yeah, don't jump. That is a really bad idea. Best thing is just stay on the top of this thing, right on our head. It's a big moth, and you can see my factory. That's a space elevator. Right there is my little concrete setup. That was the iron setup I showed you. This is the other iron setup that I have. I don't know if she's gonna hit any of this. Nope, she's gonna go right over it, which is pretty cool. Oh, nope, we're gonna get hit. Oh, see, and if you get hit on anything else and you miss her, you're stuck, which sucks. I guess that was my ending point. Didn't realize she went through this one either. Which is okay. Which means I'll set a start point here, fly around with her, and end over there, which would be kind of cool. Because she doesn't show much of this, she just comes back around. So that would be kind of cool. So anyways, here we are over here at the other iron station that I have. I don't think I have a way down this way. These highways, I call them skyways. I don't know what anybody else calls them, but I call them skyways because, what's wrong with you? I guess it's just not needed right now. Which is funny because this should all be. Oh no, my irons. That's right, all my irons at a standstill. Oh, I do have a way down. Look at this. So, where is it at? Oh, it's right there. So, anyway, let's go look at this more intricate setup. And these are little gel pads that you can put down to jump on, so you don't die. So this is the iron factory over here. See, yeah, it's really loud in my ears, so I don't know if that's really loud to you guys, but we'll just show it off from up here. Screw that. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, I do believe, in this one section. Yeah, there's 4 of them coming into this section, which are all being pumped up. As you can see, I like my conveyor systems. They're freaking cool. Um, they all come in up here, and when they get up here, they all split off into all the different smelters. And these back ones are being stopped because there's not enough being pulled. This is why this isn't very efficient. Because right now, like, these 2 or 3 are being used and the rest of them are just sitting idle. But in case I ever get a backup, then I have plenty just sitting there because each one of those have 100 apiece. So even if they are just in there, this is faster, by the way. Not by much because it's not upgraded, but which I could upgrade it. I need to. I need to upgrade everything in my factory to full speed to 3. I have this all set up for products to go up. Um, Unfortunately, I haven't built it yet. I haven't built anything to actually. There, you got to get elevator parts, and I haven't made those yet. I haven't got those in in production yet. Sorry. Um, but um, as soon you guys will see me building that. We're gonna go ahead and go over here and jump on the copper line because I want you guys to kind of see the factory. Oh snap! Let's not get stuck on anything. I think the copper line is the very top, so I shouldn't get stuck on anything. We said that one. I can get rid of that. That way you guys can ride this and you can kind of see the layout of the factory. I like how this line just barely over the top. And so yeah, this is my factory. I'll show off that section over there next time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and hopefully this recording actually worked. Whoa, that was cool. Anyways, on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one, guys. Um, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please smash that like button, subscribe if you want to. Hit that notification bell. You get more notifications of some more gameplay that I'm going to be putting up. This is the very first video going out. I hope everything went well, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is Trailblazer, and you guys have a great day.